I didn't expect all this.
Early lechon breakfast.
Oh yeah.
First bite.
I cannot remember when something tasted that good.
I'm obsessed with this.
We feel like with family here though.
Yeah.
We have marine spaghetti here.
Am I gonna like this?
Yeah. That came from this.
Oh my god! You guys tricked me! Welcome to Cebu City. We've been here on the island of Cebu for about a week now. We've been exploring the southern region, and now we decided to come back to Cebu City because it is known as the capital of Lechon, and we knew we needed to come back and try Lechon directly from the source.
So as I was doing research to try to find the best place to try Lechon here in Cebu City, I came across Mark Wine's video, and one of the places he went to really stood out to me, and it's called Gogoes Lechon. So I contacted the owner on Facebook, asked him if it was okay if we came to film one morning, and he said, of course, be here at 4 a.m. on Sunday.
So we woke up at 3 a.m. this morning. It took a 45-minute taxi to come to Gogoes Lechon to try the famous Cebu Lechon for ourselves.
So we just arrived. You can see the smoke coming up from down below where they're already roasting the lechon. Oh, it smells so good.
It's barely 4 a.m. We just got here. They're already making like 10 plus pigs, and it honestly looks like they're almost finished cooking. It's crazy.
What time did you start today?
1
a.m. Oh, long day, man. Woo. Looks like they have this system that's automatically turning the pigs. This man here is doing it manually still.
Sammy.
Yeah, I saw your post last night.
Nice to meet you, man.
It
Smells so good.
Yeah.
Wow. Oh.
So you're gonna take a breakfast and lechon breakfast?
Yes.
Now, are you the owner then?
Yeah.
Okay, sweet, man. Well, thank you for having us. We really appreciate it.
Oh, that's a pleasure.
We're excited to be here. That's the next batch, huh?
Yeah.
That's good work, man. That's a lot of work. I'm sweating for you.
Wow, we just saw the whole process, and that is so crazy. So what they do is they take the clean pig, they take this like huge long surgical needle, weave it through the rib cage, then they take the big pole that it's gonna like spin on the spit, and they shove it through it. Then he ties the threads from the rib onto the pole, and that's what like holds the pig onto the pole.
How long have you been doing this?
4 years.
4 years. Okay, nice. And what's your name?
Herbert.
Hilbert. Nice to meet you, man.
Then they just stuff it with all of the seasonings.
Salt, and then the umami, mix it with saute, and then the star anise, which we,
Right.
yeah.
You got all the flavor. Oh wow, that is fresh, isn't it?
That
Fresh
smells
as
so good.
The native
native.
millets.
Okay.
Yeah. And then the white onion with like garlic. No secret.
Yeah, no secret. Good seasoning.
Ooh.
And then he takes the needle and sews it up and makes sure it's like really nice and tight so nothing falls out. It is so labor intensive, but I mean, it's a big process, but it's also quite simple at the same time.
So did you do all these ones? Yeah. Wow, you're busy, yeah.
How many pigs do you cook a day?
Every day, maybe 5 to 10.
5 to
Yeah.
10?
Other day, Saturday, Sunday, we sell 6 to 7.
Okay, wow.
And then Sunday, we sell 15.
15?
Yeah.
Wow, so today's a busy day.
Yeah.
Okay.
We call this budbud or suman in Manila.
What is it?
It's made of sticky rice.
Okay.
You roll it with the banana leaves. Try.
Oh, thank you.
If you insist, I guess so.
Yes. Oh. Yum.
Then-
So sticky rice with mango.
Yeah, with mango, yeah.
Yum. Thank you.
And then this one is also, we call this in here is puto. Same sticky rice, and then different in the way they cook.
How is it?
Good. I love sticky rice. And for breakfast, it's perfect.
Yeah, it is.
With the mango.
With the mango.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. I didn't know we
You're
were
too
getting
sweet.
breakfast.
He's so sweet. He even brought us breakfast. There's some sticky rice with mango, which is one of our favorites. Hold us over until the lechon's ready. That mango is so perfectly ripe. He also gave us, it's like some purple sticky rice. Oh, it's so good. Wow. And some an apple beverage to bring it down. It said, it's like an apple tea. We haven't had this before. Heck yes. I didn't expect all this.
No, we didn't.
It was hard convincing Sammy to get up at 2:45 today. But we're here.
I mean, it was hard, but it really didn't take much to convince me to wake up for food. Cheers!
What are you guys doing here?
It's your first bite.
Really?
Yeah.
Is this the first one that's done today?
Yeah.
How long does it usually take?
3 to 4 hours.
3 to 4 hours. Okay.
Here comes the juice.
I love the sound of the crispiness.
This is my first time ever having lechon. Oh! Yeah! First time ever!
She's in for a treat.
Oh my gosh.
Great skin. Oh, listen to the crunch.
Oh my gosh.
My mouth's watering behind the camera, everybody.
This is amazing. It's so salty and crispy and fatty underneath. And that crunch. This is so good. First bite.
Oh my goodness. I cannot remember when something tasted that good. That is absolutely fantastic. The best thing I've eaten as I can remember.
It's so crunchy.
I can't stop. Oh.
Worth waking up for sure.
Early lechon breakfast.
Oh yeah. Oh, that's.
Do most people eat lechon for breakfast or is it later in the day?
Yeah, later today.
Later in the day.
Yeah.
It's pretty warm in here. Hot conditions for the workers. I'm hardly moving and I'm already sweating. So tell me, how did you get into this business?
It's my parents.
Oh, your parents?
Yeah, my
Okay.
parents.
How many years has it been in your family?
25 years.
35?
25.
25. Wow. You're a master now.
Hello.
Does anybody ever buy like a whole pig?
Yeah.
So how
They buy a
much-
whole pig.
How much is a whole pig cost?
7,000, 8,000.
We are leaving the smoking pit and heading upstairs now to try this officially, I think. It's so hard to leave down here though. I love the noises, the sizzling of the pig, the smells. Oh. Okay. Get to officially try it now. Roasted chicken too, huh? Nice, okay.
So it cooks inside of this. This is called hanging rice or puso. So basically it's rice cooked in coconut leaves. And it's gonna be like the perfect pairing for like the roast chicken or the lechon.
Or the barbecue.
Or the barbecue. I'm assuming the rice is like a good pairing to like cut the fat of the roasted meats.
It's so
Yeah.
pretty the way they wrap it too.
Wow, everybody is so sweet, just explaining what everything is, and yeah, it's just really nice to be here.
Yeah. So how long have you been doing this?
It's almost 10 years.
10 years.
Yeah.
Oh.
Have a taste.
Okay. You make me.
Oh, one person.
Thank you, thank you.
So,
Get the puso, and then there's the sauce.
and then dip it here,
Yeah.
dip it in the juice. Wow.
Oh yeah.
How messy can I get? Oh my god. Wow, that is so salty and tender and just, this pork is perfection. I've never had pork that tasted this good before. And the rice, it does, like it cuts the saltiness, oiliness of the pork perfectly. And like dipping it in like the salty juices. It's very good. I'm obsessed with this.
Breakfast is served.
Wow.
Hey.
With the puso.
Thank you, my man. So she just gave us pickled papaya, which she says is an appetizer.
Love that. It's like pickly and sweet at the same time.
Sweet and sour is the way she described it, which is perfect.
Yeah, it's good.
And they just dropped off.
Wow. That is insane.
Oh, we got so much skin too, which I'm so excited for.
You're taking care of me. He's taking care of us so good. God, thank you. Oh, thank you.
We feel like with family here, though.
Yeah.
We feel like with family.
He said because we're very far from our home. That's so sweet. I just feel like we're at a family cookout right now. Should we try the soup? Thank you.
Oh, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Feast.
We're gonna try the soup now. Balbacoa. So basically, it's like the hoof's foot stewed in a stew with like green onions and seasonings. Is it good? The hoof
It's fantastic.
scares me a little bit, but the broth looks amazing.
Oh,
It's so good.
oh, it's amazing.
Oh my gosh. That tastes like the most flavorful beef broth, like seasoned with like garlic and green onion. And that is delicious.
I'd be happy with just the soup.
Oh my god.
This was a pleasant surprise.
Yeah. Are you supposed to eat the fat off the hoof? Or is it just for seasoning?
It's my first time.
Tommy and I always say that when we don't know what to do or we've never been somewhere before. We ask the other person. He's like, "This is my first time here. I don't know what's about to happen." That skin.
Oh, look at that. This
love
meat
it.
is so tender, you guys.
My favorite combo, I think, is the puso with the skin. I love rice and I love this crispy skin. Did you hear that crunch?
When's the last time we had something this delicious?
I don't know. It's so delicious. I just noticed everyone else here is wearing gloves.
We're messy. That's the way we like it. The seasons in there are so amazing.
A bag. Oh, thank you.
Mountain Dew, how'd you know? I haven't had a Mountain Dew in like 10 years, so thank you. It sounds amazing.
Thank you.
I used to love Mountain Dew.
It's
Too late for me. It's okay. I like the mess. It's all good. Thank you, though. Thank you. Mountain Dew. And way to wake up this morning. I don't know if we can.
We can't. It's too much food.
No.
Look what he just brought us.
Entire roast chicken.
Whole roasted chicken. I'm not sure how we're gonna eat this. Help! So juicy too.
Hot. Oh yeah, that was a bite.
Everything is so amazing. Hey, tell me your favorites.
I love everything. I love the different combinations of everything. Obviously, the lechon is my favorite. The soup, surprisingly, I love it.
No kidding.
I was very skeptical, but I love it. Guys, it is like, it is 5:30 and this place is packed. Like, would you wake up at 5:30 to come get food? I mean, we would, but like, this is worth waking up for. It's like that good.
Just filled with locals too.
You guys wake up at 5 a.m. to come eat here.
Yeah.
It's so great. Yeah. Just met some of the locals having breakfast at the next table. They said they come here often. They like to come early because it just gets so crowded here around 8 a.m. It's not worth like being here so busy. They love waking up at 5 to come eat breakfast here. I just think that is like such a testament to like how delicious the food is, and that like it's such a like community spot here. You know, the place is packed.
Nice to meet you.
Bye. It's finally getting daylight. You can see blue hour just started. The sun's like rising up over there.
I don't think I've ever been this stuffed this early. I'm usually a late breakfast person too. Today we went hard early.
Yeah, but we have enough food here to keep us like lunch, snacks, and dinner all day. And probably food for tomorrow too.
Perfect, you guys. So nice to meet you, man. Eric, and what's your name? Awesome, man. Awesome. What's your name?
Romeo.
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 Romeo. Nice to meet you. Tommy, nice to meet you. Romeo. Oh, thank you, sir. You have a little toy pod.
Yeah. I like that one right there.
So it's only 6:30 now, and the restaurant is packed here. Every table's filled. So crazy on a Sunday morning. How a place that serves lechon can be this busy.
This is a sea urchin inside a bottle. Yeah.
That's interesting. Look.
Grated papaya also.
Yeah, that looks good.
The achara. We call it achara. This is young jackfruit.
Young jackfruit.
Oh yeah. With coconut. This is sea cucumber.
So which one's your favorite?
Both. We call it sunlutan. The inner part of a cucumber.
Never tried that before.
You want to try? Yeah, I will try.
Stick around long enough and then he's bringing more food.
Yep. We're gonna wait here till lunchtime here so we can keep eating. Okay, we have marine spaghetti here. Wow, very good. It's like in a vinegar. It's super easy. It looks a little scary. It's actually really yummy. And this is the insides of a sea cucumber, which we've never had before. It's like a really good ceviche. So lemony, a little sour, and crunchy. The onions in there is really good.
Look how great this is. I didn't even know something like this existed. Marine spaghetti.
Yeah. Oh, ipakita.
Am I gonna like this?
Yeah.
Oh, salty, vinegary with a spaghetti texture.
Do you believe if we sige, okay, you can scroll it.
That came from this.
Yeah.
So that kind of like releases it from their body. Yeah, and that's what.
Oh.
Yeah.
I thought, oh my god! You guys tricked me.
Right. Sea slug. Yeah.
They tricked us.
I
Okay.
told her you reveal where it came from. She later on.
I literally thought this was like grass or seaweed. No, this is expelled from an animal. It's a sea creature that lets go of this stuff, and that's where this comes from.
What was the name of the sea creature?
Sea hair.
Sea hair.
Yeah.
Which that makes more
You have
sense.
to find out the other country if you
Yeah.
do some places.
That's so fun. I thought it was like seaweed. No. You guys are tricking me.
Later. It's our pleasure.
You guys are all amazing. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
So nice to meet everybody. Thank you for hosting us.
Thanks very much.
The sweetest.
Thank you. I highly appreciate for coming. Thank you.
We appreciate it. We appreciate it.
Appreciate it. Thank you.
It's so pleasure meeting you, my man.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you again. Thank you again.
Thank you.
Hey, you treat us like family. We really appreciate
Yeah.
it. It was so kind of you to host us.
Appreciate it.
Yeah,
Thank
sure,
you.
sure.
Keep working hard. Hopefully you sell out so you can get off early.
Thank you.
So I want to give a huge shout out to everybody at Gogoes Lechon, from the owner, the staff, all the family. We love you guys. They treated us like family here. Wouldn't let us pay for anything. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next one.